Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Samsung phone and the receiving display. Once done, make sure both are on the same network too, 4 or 5 GHz so Discovery works reliably. Pull down Quick Panel and tap Smart View or Cast. This begins scanning for nearby receivers. If you see multiple targets, pick the TV or adapter name that matches. This step gets devices talking. It's the foundation that prevents pairing failures later. Once your phone lists receivers, you choose the correct TV or adapter name and tap to connect. If the TV prompts, accept the incoming cast or enter the on-screen PIN. This secures the session. After connecting, open the app or content you want to mirror and adjust orientation and resolution in phone settings if needed. This matches aspect ratio and reduces lag. Make sure app permissions allow screen capture. Without that, video or app audio may be blocked during casting. To finish, stop casting via Quick Panel or Smart View and confirm the session ended on the TV. If you encounter problems, restart phone, TV, and router. This clears temporary network issues. Make sure both devices run current firmware and that the router doesn't enable AP isolation or strict firewall rules. Those block discovery. If the TV still won't appear, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi off/on, reconnect to the same subnet, and try again. These steps resolve most persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.